My name is Simon Webster from www.jerrycans.co.uk, and today we're looking at the Wavian 20 litre steel fuel can. All Wavian jerry cans are made with the 0.8mm rolled steel, and one thing you'll immediately notice is the standard of the welding work on this fuel can. The handle and neck are firmly welded, and cheaper cans tend to have a rougher welded seam that over time can rub and eventually develop a leak. As you can see, this can sits nicely on a flat surface. The classic three-handle design hasn't actually changed all that much since the 1940s when the can was originally designed. All Wavian cans feature a safety pin to prevent accidental removal of the lid. Incidentally, in case you're wondering when you buy one of these cans, the pin is slightly bent to prevent it slipping out, and that's normal. Open it up and you'll see the cap has a specially designed hinge. This is to stop it falling shut when you're pouring the fuel out. Inside there is an extra wide breather, and this allows the can to empty in just 25 seconds, whereas a cheaper, less efficient can will take it sometimes up to 4.5 minutes to empty. Also inside is a special lining that prevents rust. One thing to remember with these cans is that they're designed for fuel and not water. If you use them for water or other liquids, the lining of the can may start to break down. If you need a can for water, we have a range of plastic and stainless steel jerry cans available. Have a look at our website, www.jerrycans.co.uk. If you want something that's going to give you many years of trouble-free use, look for the Wavian brand name. All of our cans are UN approved, and this number is embossed onto the top of the can, along with required safety information. The most popular can is this khaki green. They're also available in black, red and yellow. We also like to offer some special limited edition fuel cans in other colours such as orange, white or even camouflage. The cans are also available in other sizes, 5 and 10 litre. If you need any more information regarding our range of Wavian fuel cans, please visit our website at www.jerrycans.co.uk. and please feel free to leave any questions or comments in the box below.